We will be replacing the license plate light on this 2015 Jeep Wrangler with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting. For this installation, you'll need a 10mm wrench. You can see the standard halogen light still installed. Access to the license plate bulb is under this housing. There are two clips holding it together. But to get the bulb out, we'll first need to remove the license plate. Now that it's removed, we can access the two clips. With one hand, pinch the clips together. While you're holding the clips together, with your other hand, you can wiggle and pull the housing out. It's these clips here that you need to pinch together. To remove the bulb, turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. Remove the old bulb by pulling it straight from the connector. If we compare your new LED with the stock halogen, you can see they have the same plug-and-play base, and the size is small enough to fit almost any car or application. Simply plug your new bulb right into the connector and replace the housing. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Technician's tip: be sure to test your new bulb before putting everything back. To reinstall the housing, line up the clips and push it back up until it clicks. Now replace the license plate and you're done. Here are the new LED lights installed on the license plate. Side by side, you can easily see the difference in color and brightness.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.